Hello internet, I'm Mary, codename Reeb, and I am still making up for not vlogging every day in April. Today is Suggestion Sunday, where I make a video based on your suggestions. Today's suggestion comes from Twitter via Zach Rainfall, and it is puppies. He actually gave a few suggestions, but I decided puppies because who doesn't love them? The term puppies typically refers to young domesticated dogs, or Canis lupus familiaris, with domestication likely occurring sometime over 11,000 years ago. Puppies are typically born in litters after a gestation period of approximately 63 days and can become extremely stressed if they are removed from that litter or separated from their mother, and are just generally very social animals. Despite commonly being declared man's best friend, puppies will grow into dogs, fearful of humans if they do not experience plenty of human socialization before they are 12 weeks old. The topic of when scientifically puppies become dogs is a subject of heavy debate, except those of us who have met dogs who know that they are all puppies, every one of them, for the entirety of their lives. Now, the world seems to be divided into two groups of people, and those groups of people are dog people and cat people. These people viciously argue the merits of their chosen pet and the perceived drawbacks of the other. Personally, I'm more of a cat person, I just love them, but I reject the idea that being a cat person means that I can't love dogs too. Due to allergies, the only pets my family had growing up were fish. But my neighbors slash babysitters always had dogs, mostly labs, and a lot of happy childhood memories I have are with those dogs. There was Pat when I was really young, and Chase, who once protected Catherine from a bunch of wasps, and Breeze, who was so big even as a young puppy that us kids were barely taller than him. In summary, puppies are cheerful and loving and giant doofuses, and the world is a much brighter place for having them in it. Thank you all for watching. Next up is Meta Monday, and I will see you tomorrow.